I will show you how to change language on YouTube. In the lower right corner, you will see your profile picture. Tap it. Open the account menu, then in the upper right corner, you will see a gear-shaped option. Click on it. Find the option that says Language, tap on it, and you will be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to switch to. Once you find it, tap it to select it as your preferred language. Most likely, the application will ask you to confirm the language. Change Confirm, and you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. And there you have it. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you want to know anything about YouTube or any other app. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button.